Hello friends, it's Beverly. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you my current brow routine. Sorry about the little echo, I'm in a bathroom, but yeah, let's get into it. I'm first going to powder the areas around my eyebrows to reduce any oil. I'm using a brow gel to make the hair stay and so I can see the shape. I'm first going to outline the shape that I want and then I will start to fill it in. I use this lighter shade of the brow powder to fill in any gaps, but I want to use the lighter shade so it looks natural. I'm using micellar water to clean up the top of my brows. I use this pencil concealer to shape the bottom of my brows with a thin line. And then I remove excess product with a cotton tip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you liked me, then follow all my socials. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you really like this video, share it with a friend. To see more of my videos, just subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye friends!